We are at 2012 Pine Needle Path, the Willis residence. We have a 30-year laminate shingle. We do have felt. We do have drip edge over plywood. We have weaved valleys, as you can see there. We have aluminum ridge vent. The predominant pitch is a 7. Here's where I chalked the ridge vent. You can see a couple of small places along the ridge vent. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rain diverters, 1 pipe boot. Her section ends right where this new gable begins, basically. It might be halfway between these 2 gables, but this is just her part right here. Here's an overview of the front. And the back. Now, the call was about potential hail damage. And like I said, you can see some spots here on this ridge vent, some not exactly large spots, but some small spots. We have a small dent on this downspout back here in the back. And along the window frame, the aluminum pane has been chipped in a couple of places. It's not significant damage, but it does also show that hail has been here at some point. Here are a few spatter marks that you can see on this north slope. And there's some on that north slope as well, as you can see. Now I found a couple of areas where the overlay, there's too much shingle overlay here in this area. And there are just a couple of places that could potentially be hail, that resemble hail. Here's one, here's another. They're roughly the right shape and size. And there is a little bit of bruising, it feels like, potentially. A couple of nail pops here. As you can see, it's poked through the shingles. And then we have one other spot here on this front slope, a potential. But there's not clear and obvious signs of hail damage large enough to actually damage these shingles, and there is some granule loss, some blistering. So it could be contributed or attributed to that as well. So overall, the east front, 0 wind, 0 hail. The west back, 0 wind, 0 hail. The north right, 0 wind, 0 hail. And the south left, 0 wind, 0 hail. Again, we're at 2012 Pine Needle Path, the Willis residence, and that is everything that is on this roof.